2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will be doing a whole fire alarm collection of 2023. So let's go ahead and get started with the fire alarm collection. So right here we have a Silent Night fire alarm control panel. I forgot the model number. I don't have the case with me, sorry. So I can't look. Right there we have an exit sign cover from the exit sign combo with LED emergency lights. And right next to it, right there, we have a Silent Night pull station, a Silent Night BG12, Notifier BG12, Notifier BG10, Edwards 270 SPO, Edwards EST Genesis remote strobe, Siemens MS501, Faraday mechanical horn strobe. The model number is 6227. Then here we have a Siemens UMHU MCS horn strobe, which does code 3 and continuous. And next to it we have a Siemens ZNS. It's a Wheelock ZNS, but rebranded by Siemens. There's my cat right here. Then we have Lucy. Siemens UHN horn only. Siemens UHN S17. Siemens UHN MCS, Siemens UEC MCS chime strobe, 4 Wheelock ASs, my Siemens one I have, which is broken, Wheelock AS ceiling mount, Wheelock AS wall mount, 2 Wheelock ASs wall mount in red, Wheelock NS, Wheelock RSS, Wheelock Exceeder, horn strobe, Wheelock ZRS, remote strobe, Wheelock ZNS, but it's broken. The whole strobe tube I took away, because I cut the strobe tube off because I didn't like it how it was rattling, and it got kind of annoying. So yeah, a Wheelock 7002T. I think it's 7002T24. I think. Yep, 7002T24. Wheelock MT LSM from the old 90s. Wheelock CH70 chime strobe. Wheelock CH90 chime strobe, but the chime is broken. Simplex T-bar. This one's addressable. Simplex T-bar. Another one. Simplex 9838 horn behind with a 4903 strobe plate behind it. Simplex 4903 9219 mechanical horn strobe. Simplex 4903 9252 electronic horn strobe. Simplex 9219 remote strobe. Simplex TrueAlert Smart Sync. And the model number is 4903 9429. This one here is a 4903 9426 Smart Sync and free run. This one is a 4906 9101, remote strobe, smart sync. System sensor mass, 980A. I think this is the first gen, I believe. Yeah, I believe so. System sensor Spectra Alert Classic, very first gen. These are uncommon, but somewhat rare. System sensor Spectra Alert Classic 3rd gen. System sensor Spectra Alert Classic 2nd gen. 2 system sensor Spectra Alert Classics ceiling mount speaker strobes. System sensor i3 smoke detector. System sensor Spectra Alert Advanced speaker strobe alert. System sensor Spectra Alert Advanced P2WK. This is an outdoor version, and it's behind the outdoor back box. System sensor SW with blue strobe lens, which is a fire police alarm. I think it's pretty interesting. System sensor Spectra Alert Advanced P2R horn strobe. System sensor Spectra Alert Advanced, L series P2RL horn strobe. System sensor SRL remote strobe L series. Gentex GMS. I believe this is either 1st or 3rd gen. I don't know. I believe it's a 1st. I think it's a 1st. Gentex SHG. This is a horn strobe. These are white, which is actually pretty rare. Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe, which can do multiple tones like chime, whoop, or 500 hertz, I think. I don't know. Or 800 hertz, I don't know. I forgot. I know it's a high-pitched noise, but I forgot how many hertz it is. Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe. A Kitty ionization smoke detector, which doesn't have a battery, so I can't test it. This one is, I think it's a Kitty, yeah. It's a Kitty, probably. I think it's photoelectric, too. Firex ionization smoke detector. All 4 of them here. Let's test a couple of them. Those are pretty loud. Let's test this one. This is actually a Kitty ionization smoke detector. Another Kitty ionization smoke detector. This one is Firex smoke detector. Kitty smoke and carbon monoxide detector, which doesn't work anymore, unfortunately. First Alert smoke detector, which I don't have the battery in it, so I can't test it. This is a Family Guard smoke detector, which also doesn't have a battery, so I can't test it either. Carbon monoxide detector, First Alert. Kitty carbon monoxide detector, which also doesn't work anymore and doesn't have batteries. And one more Kitty carbon monoxide detector. Let's go ahead and test it. And that is my fire alarm collection of 2023. Now let's go down to my fire alarm board. But first, before we do that, I'll show you my exit signs and emergency lights. Hold on, I'll be right back. Here in my kitchen, I have an exit sign combo with LED emergency lights. Let's go ahead and test that. It lights up the whole surface too, which is crazy. Now, let's go ahead in my basement. In my basement, we have an exit sign, LED exit sign. Let's go ahead and test it. You can see the other side of it too, and it's pointing that way. That's where the exit is. Now, let's go ahead in my room. Here in my room, we have an LED emergency lights. Let's go ahead and test this. All right, now let's go ahead down to my fire alarm board.